keeping your system up to date is a very crucial factor because there might be security patches which Microsoft will provide to enhance the security of your computer. So to keep your Windows updated, first of all, you need to make sure that whenever an update is there, you update it. So to check whether there are new updates that you can install, you can go around onto the start menu, go to settings, and in settings, you can go to update and security right here. So over here, you can see Windows Update is opened up. And here it says you are up to date in current case. But if you want to check for updates manually, you can click on check for updates. And if there are any updates right there, it'll show up right there. If you need to pause updating for some reason, then you can go around and then pause the updates for 7 days over here as well. But usually it is not recommended to do unless you are on an important project, because if you make changes to if you do actually update, then the updates make changes to your computer and it might actually make changes to the way Windows works as well. So usually what happens is that you might want the Windows update to automatically do its job in the active hours, because there may be times when you're at office work and that time you don't want Windows update to work. So you might want to change the active hours for that one. So you can go around over here, and here it says set the active hour to let us know. So current active hour is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and based on this, it'll update out the windows. But you can go around over here and change the active hour to whatever you like, and the Windows update will happen out in that particular timing from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. as you can see right here. So you can go around and set that as well. You can also see your update history and see what updates you have done like beforehand as well. And you can also uninstall the updates if the updates are causing problems for you, and there are recovery options over here as well. You can go to advanced options right here and receive updates for other Microsoft products. So if you were to turn this on, you will also receive updates for Microsoft Office and other Microsoft applications that may be installed on your computer. So I'm just going to go around, keep that off right here. You see that there's also download updates over metered connection. If you are using a metered data pack connections, it'll still download updates. But if you were to turn this off, whenever metered connection is on, it won't download the updates. So here it says restart the device as soon as possible when a restart is required. So sometimes what happens is that when you install an update, it may require a restart. So if you turn this on, then it automatically does the restarting, which sometimes can lead to pause of your current work. So usually you want to do it manually as well. You can also get update notification when your device requires a restart as well, so that we can manually restart it as well. And you can also pause your updates for a certain period of time from here, as you can see. So there are many options for Windows updates right here under advanced options. And that is how you can access the Windows update settings and then update your Windows when you're using Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.